Hello everybody, this is Florida Trailblazer, exploring in the wilderness, out here searching for some interesting history. There should be an old cemetery around here in these woods somewhere, and trying to track it down so I can check in on the condition of it and see what I can discover along the way. Exploring in the woods here, searching for this cemetery, and I've seen a lot of these old wooden fence posts around the area. Could have been part of the perimeter of the cemetery at one time. Getting closer to the site, and I think I see some tombstones up ahead. Let's go take a closer look. Right here appears to be one of the grave sites, and unfortunately not much remains of the tombstone. It's really sad to see. I'm not sure about the history of this cemetery, but could have been associated with an old homestead nearby at one time. Perhaps some of the early settlers of the area are buried here. And even though the tombstones are gone, the folks buried here are not forgotten. Wanted to record this video and document the area to show my respects. And it's a part of history. It should always be remembered. I'm going to look around some more. Over here is another grave. And this tombstone is gone as well. Much of the area is overgrown. It's hard to say how many more people could be buried out here. There's a clearing over there. It's an open area right here, more of the cemetery. Could be in this section as well. I am seeing a lot of old metal laying around. Some traces from the past here. It's more of these fence posts around the site. And just beyond these posts is the area where the cemetery is. Such a nice, peaceful place out here.